Okay guys, today's topic is algebra and we are going to see some of the cases or examples regarding algebra. So let's take first one. So here 3 bracket open x plus 4. So here we have to expand the bracket, so that means expanding a bracket here. This means 3 times x is 3x, and here in front of 3 we have to understand there is plus sign, and also in front of the 4 there's plus sign. So plus times plus is plus, and 3 times 4 is 12. So this is the simple example of expanding bracket. So let's take the other one, like 5x bracket open 2y plus 3. So here 5 times 2 is 10, and x and y is just x, y, and we have here in front of 5 we have plus sign, and in front of 3 we have plus. So plus times plus 5 times 3 is 15, and we have just x. So this is the other example. Let's see the other one, quite difficult than before, like minus 2x squared bracket open x plus 3y minus 1 is divided by x. So in next step is like we have minus in front of 2. So minus time, here we have in front of this x we have plus. We have to understand like that. So minus times plus, it's minus, and we have to understand there is 1 in front of the x, and 2 times 1 is 2, and x squared times x. That means if we have, let's see here, same base, this means like this, x squared times x. X means just we have to understand there is power 1. So if we have same base, so the power should be added. This means like this, x2 plus 1 is equal to x cube. We have already seen this thing in indices, so that means x cube, right? And in front of, again we have to multiply minus 2x squared and 3y. So in front of 2 we have minus, and in front of 3 we have plus. So minus times plus minus is minus, and just multiply the number. 2 times 3 is 6. So x, we have x squared and y, so it's the same one, x squared y. And the last one, we have to multiply minus 2x squared and minus 1 divided by x. So minus times minus is plus. You should know this thing. And here, let's do here, this means like this, minus plus, we have already this one, so we have to understand like this here. This means like this, 2x squared times 1 by x. So here we have 2x square. So this means in simple we have to understand like 2 times x times x and times 1 divided by x means just divided by x. So x and x they eat each other, cancel out. So we have left 2x here, 2x. So this way the answer is here 2x. So the final answer is minus 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 2x. So this in algebra, these are the simple case of expanding brackets. So let's see other thing like expanding a pair of brackets, like here x plus 3 x plus 5. So we have here pair of brackets, and inside the bracket we have x plus 3 and x plus 5. So this means these two, here we have to understand there is multiplication. This means this should be multiply each other. This means like in simple we have to understand like this: x times x plus 5. This x is this one, and we have now plus 3 times x plus 5, and here x times x is square, same base, and power should be added to. We have 1 here power, 1 here power, so 2 plus x times 5 is 5x, and here we have plus 3 times plus x plus 3x plus 3 times plus 15, and now here we have here also x, I mean 5x plus 3x. We have the same here, x squared plus 8x plus 15. So this is about expanding a pair of brackets. Now let's take the other one also, like x plus 2 bracket inside the bracket, and again x plus 1 inside the bracket. This is the same. Either you multiply this by this or other way around, it's the same. So here again x multiply x plus 1 plus 2 bracket upon x plus 1, and here x is square, and x times 1 is x. This is just like 2 times 1 is 2, and here plus, because here 2 plus 2 times plus x, 2x plus 2 times 2, and here again we have x is square, we don't have other x is square, so here we have 1x and 2x. Here we have to always understand 1 is 1x plus 2x is equal to 3x. This just like 1x plus 2x is just like, if you are confused, like it is just like 1 cow plus 2 cows is equal to 3 cows. Yeah, plus 3. Yeah, this is the answer, final answer. X is equal plus 3x plus 2. Also, let's see other more like simple factorization. If we take example like 10x plus 15, when you have to factorize these, what is common here? We have 10x plus 5. What is common? 10, I mean like 10 and 15, they are divisible by 5. So that means 5, that means bracket open 5 to 2 is 10 and x. So this time, this 5 times 2x would be equal to 10x. Again, here we have plus 5 times 3 is 15. So this is about factorizing, yeah, the expression, this expression. If you take like, let's take minus 2q minus 6p plus 12. So in this case, it is here we have 2, 6, okay, this all 2, 6 and 12 can be divisible by 2, that means, okay, 2, let's make 2 outside the bracket. 2 times minus q gives minus 2q and minus 3, 2, 3, 6 p, because you have plus in front of 2 here, we have to understand, and here should be minus. So plus minus here give minus, and it will give 2 times minus 3p is equal to minus 6p, and here plus 6. Yeah, this also factorizing the expression. If you take quite like confusing one like 6ax plus 12ay minus 8a 18a, I mean square. Yeah, here we can see directly 6. We can take out 6 because all the numbers 6, 12, 18 can be, yeah, they can be divisible by 6, and we have common a in all, so a out, so bracket upon a times 6a times x gives 6ax, and plus. Here we have plus, so that means here we have to understand plus times plus give plus, and we have 6a already, so 6a times 6a, how many times is equal to 12ay, means 6 2 12, we have already a and y, so that means 6a times 2y gives 12ay. And we have here minus, so it should be, we have plus 6a plus time minus, give minus here, so we have already 6a, let's take first number, 6 3 18, we have already a and we need a square, so a times a square, so this is the answer. This plus, no need to write, just ignore it, just 6a, oh this is my horrible 6, this is my 6a, bracket upon x plus 2y minus 3a. Okay, this is all about simple factorization of the expression. Okay guys, thanks for today, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, see you.